Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen. Now on Honor, it does actually matter which side you do it from, so make sure you do it from the right side. This will show you your toggles, and right here at the bottom you will see once you extend it by swiping down once more, a little bit more toggles, and one of those should be a screen recorder. From here, simply tap on it. I'm gonna mute the microphone, and as you can see, it automatically starts recording, so whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. I do also want to point out, not everything will be recorded by the screen recorder. So for instance, Netflix will not be. Keep in mind, I am not signed in right now into the application, nor have I ever agreed to any terms or conditions of this dogshit application. Yet in a second, you'll see that basically we get nothing from here. So anyway, I'm gonna stop it by clicking right here on this on the countdown, and from here we can open up photos or gallery, whatever we have right here. It looks like we have a gallery, and it looks like our screen recording is kept either in screenshots or videos or both. So I'm gonna go to screenshots, and you can see it right here. So it's right now playing. Now what you'll encounter in a second is a fully black screen from Netflix. Like I mentioned, even though I haven't agreed to anything, the application, because it's dog shit, it can just abuse its privileges, which should have none. And that's basically the app. You get absolutely nothing. So the application can utilize a feature of Android, even though, in my opinion, it shouldn't, considering we haven't agreed to anything. And what that is, it's basically a feature designed to protect the user, its privacy. So as an example, if you were to use something like your bank application and you just happen to have some kind of malware on your device that is spying on you, kind of like a screen recorder would. If you open up your bank application, you put in your pins and all that stuff, the malware wouldn't be able to see that, which is a good thing. Now, obviously this is done for your privacy and security. Where it doesn't matter is in a Netflix, because what is it trying to secure there? Absolutely nothing, I would argue. And furthermore, it's not like we have ever agreed to terms or of service or anything like that. Therefore, in my opinion, the application should have zero ways of utilizing this function, considering you have never allowed it to do anything. You haven't agreed to anything of the application. Now I'm pointing that out because obviously it does get kind of annoying, and Netflix obviously isn't the only application that will utilize this without any kind of reason, but because it comes pre-installed on most devices, it's an easy garbage to basically pick on. And yeah, I just kind of wanted to ensure that everyone is aware of this kind of thing. Whenever you just encounter a fully black screen, just know that it was application blocking you. Now this also extends to screenshots as well. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.